Okay, started. So, thank you for coming. Welcome to my video. In this video, I will start another live coding session. And I don't think that I will do a live in YouTube, but it's kind of live recording because my internet connection is not that good. So that I will record it locally and upload it on YouTube. And for today's session, I will be practicing SQL or SQL. I still not sure whether to pronounce it SQL or SQL, but I think it should be SQL. But I will stick with SQL because it have more better time complexity. Okay, whatever. Let's start it. I will practicing at sqlbolt.com. Here you can access this website for free, and I think it's covered the basic. I've tried to practicing here, and there's also some kind of advanced material, and you can actually practicing to write your script for SQL, and that's a good thing. And I won't explain a lot about the SQL and the definition or so on, but I will try to code. I will try to solve the problem that this website have, and you can also try this on yourself if you want. But I won't read all of the description that being written in this website. It would be better if you read it yourself when you're practicing, because if I do read it out loud, it will take so much time and it will be so long video. The video will be too long. And so, for without further ado, let's get started. Introduction to SQL. Learn SQL with simple interactive exercise. This is cool. I would be say that this website is pretty cool, and thank you for the developers. SQL. So, alright, for your information, I forgot to say this. I will make kind of two Pomodoro for this session. I'm using this forest application, and I will plant some kind of forest. Plant some kind of plant. Okay, for studying, let's go. 25 minutes. So the first paragraph is describing about what is SQL and some kind of trivia, and also the definition of relational databases. And okay, there's an example of a table, and okay, some kind of use case or problem, and the description about this website and the lesson. So I've read this before, so I will go to the exercise. Lesson 1, select queries 101. To retrieve data from SQL database, we need to write select statement, obviously. Queries. Okay, column and another column. So in this section explain how the SQL works, the select function, select statement, and the text to column from a table. And if you want to retrieve all the column, we can use this star. I'm not really sure how to say it in English. Asterisk. Yes. In Indonesia it's called bintang, and bintang in English is star. Exercise. So okay, we'll be using a database with the Pixar classic movies. That's sweet. This first exercise will only involve the movies table task. Okay, so I need to do this. This is the exercise. I need to find title of each film. And title. Yay. I need to find director. Director, what's the name of the column of director? I don't read that before. Okay, it's director. So title, director, year is year. Okay, so director. Okay, so when you are create the complete SQL that answer the given task ascendingly, the question will be got checked automatically. You don't have to press Control Shift Enter or whatever. You just need to make a good query that answer the question or the task. So find the title and director. So this will be return to column. Okay, title and year. Here. And all again we can use star or asterisk. What is star? That's yay, continue. Next. SQL lesson 2. Should I call it SQL? Because I started with SQL, whatever. Queries with constraint. I see. Where statement, right? Now we know how to select specific column from data from table, but if you had table with 100 million rows of data, obviously that will be tiring. Reading through all the rows will be inefficient and perhaps even impossible. Okay, we need to use where clause in the query. The clause is applied to each. Okay, where condition and or. Okay, more complex clauses can be constructed by joining numbers and or. Oh, it's yes, interesting. Logical keyboard num. Okay, it's greater equal to 4 and smaller or equal to 2. Column name not equal. Okay, sometimes you can use this in SQL. It takes except something that here being here. Okay, it's not a good way to explain. Between, there's a between statement, not between, in a list or okay, not in. Okay, it's pretty clear. In addition, result more manageable understand. Writing clauses are to constrain the set of rows written also allow the query to run faster. Writing clauses to constrain the set of rows. It also allows quite run faster due to a reduction in unnecessary data being returned. I see. Did you know? As you might have noticed that by now SQL doesn't require you to write the keywords all capitalized, but as a convention, it helps people distinguish SQL keywords from column and table names and makes the query easier to read. So yeah, I said table movies. So it's M with the uppercase and it's from lowercase because you only need to using uh, uppercase and lowercase if it's a value of a certain column that you want to find. You don't necessarily, because the SQL statement or the name of the column is case insensitive, so you don't have to worry about uppercase or lowercase when you're calling a certain column or creating writing a query. So select like this or like this. It's similar. It won't give you an error, but for the sake of readability, you need to using uppercase capitalize for every SQL statement, or I may say it's SQL keywords, and column table with a lowercase. Okay, so what is the task? Find the movie with a row ID of 6. Select movies. Wait, the title or all information? I think we can use title. Where ID equals to 6. Yay, we only need to return the title. And movies released in years between 2000 and 2010. Yoo-hoo, not between. Pretty easy, right? Find the first 5 Pixar movies and they are released here. The first 5. Order, right? I need to ordering and limit it. It's not explained the statement order and limit. Okay, so I need to do this. Wait, kinda interesting question. So the first 5 Pixar movies, so it should be returning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 since it ordered by years ascendingly. So first 5 limits of 5, right? Hey, oh, I'm sorry. Why am I missing something? Or should I using this instead? Where ID between 1 and 5. Yeah, it should be like this, right? Because it haven't explained about limit function, limit statement. Okay, lesson 3, queries with a constraint part 2. Okay, when writing where clauses with columns containing text data. SQL supports a number of useful operators. Okay, to do things like case insensitive, string comparison, and wildcard pattern matching. We show a few common text data specific operators below. Okay, equals, not equals. Yeah, this is what I want to explain. It's it can be used like this or this. Like, not like. Okay. Case insensitive, exact string. Okay, this is case sensitive and this is case insensitive. Okay, this is okay. Something like take something that's similar to this, and after that it's whatever. Something like that, right? Yeah. Column name 80. So if there are 80 in a certain value in the column, even though it's not 80 at all. I mean, like, it can be attic because 8 plus tic and c plus 80 and b for 80 plus s paths. Okay, use it anywhere in a string to match a single character only with like or not like. And a string to match a single character. Oh, I see, it's only for a single character. What is that? No, I need to focus. In, okay, in a certain list, in a exist in a list, not n but not. Okay, so okay. Did you know? It's kind of interesting. All strings must have quoted so that the query parser can distinguish words in the string from SQL keywords. Okay, yeah, I see. Like, there's always a quote. It can be one quote or double quote, right? Yeah. Let's try this. We should note that the most database implementations are quite efficient when using these operators. Full text search is best to decide libraries like Apache, Lucene, or Sphinx. These libraries are designed specially to do full text search. Okay, and as a result, are more efficient and can support a wider variety of search features, including internationalizations and advanced queries. Oh, I'm not really sure about this. What it's meaning. Exercise here. Here's the definition of query with a where clause again. Go ahead and try to write some queries with the operators above limit where conditioned. Okay. Find all the Toy Story movies. All the Toy Story movies would be this, right? What? All the Toy Stories. Oh, I see. Toy Story. So the title should be Toy Story. So where I forgot where title like equals to Toy Story and this. It's not working. I forgot how to do this. Okay, like. Okay, should use like. Yay. I cannot use equal. I forgot that equal text. This is as really percentage sign, not this kind of operator. So I need to use like, not like. Okay. Find all the movies directed by John Lasseter. Okay, I just need to copy this. da, 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 but this is not title, but director. Yay. Find all the movies and director not directed by. So not like hey, find all the wall movies, so wall strip asterisk. So okay, it's only there are wall G, really. Wait, I cannot see there's a wall G. The wall G will be released at on 2042. It's still so long. It's still 21 years apart. Whoa. And it have 97 length and minutes. Okay, not really sure what would happen with Wall-E. Why it is the son of Wall-E and Eves. I'm not really sure what's happening. Is the people behind a sequelbolt.com is came from the future? Oh, that's cool. Not really sure about this, but yeah, just I will just do the exercise. Find all the Wall-E movies. So it should be where title like was yeah. There's a Wall G. Oh my god. I hope I live long enough to watch this. My age should be around 40. 40. Yeah, some. But I don't really want to discover my age. Lesson 4, filtering and sorting query result. Yay, there's a limit and order by, right? Yay, I see this. I think I don't really need to read this description. Not really, I will read it. Even though the data in a database may have unique, the result of any particular queries may not be. Okay. Take our movies table for example. I'm so sleepy today, not now. Oh. Select okay, since the distinct keyword will blindly remove the duplicate rows. Distinct, I see distinct. It will only take unique value or remove all the duplicate rows. We will learn how discard the duplicate based on specific columns with grouping and the group by clauses. Okay. Ordering results. Unlike our neatly ordered table in the last few lessons, most data in real database are added into no particular column order. So I see as a result, it can be difficult to read through and understand the result of a query as the size of this table increases to thousands or even more or even millions rows. To help with this, SQL provides a way to sort your result. Yay, order by scanning or descendingly, but automatically it should be scanning, right? Order by column, and you don't really need to state that it's ordered ascendingly using AST because it automatically ascending without you are explicitly write it that. uh, code, no code script, no statement when an order by closed in specific, limiting result to a subset. Another clauses which is commonly used with order by is limit offset. This is the first time I hear offset, which are a useful optimization to indicate the database subset of the result you care about. The limit will reduce the number of rows to return, and the optional offset will specify where to begin counting the number rows from. Interesting. Specify where to begin counting. Where to begin counting? Okay, I think I'm not really sure. If you think about websites like Reddit or Pinterest, the front page is a list of links sorted by popularity and time. Okay, and each subsequent page can be represented by sets of links at a different offset in the database using these clauses. The database can be executed and then execute queries faster and efficiently by processing and returning only the requested content. If you are curious about when the limit and offset are applied relatively, they are generally done last after the other clauses have been applied. So we'll touch modulation order of execution. I see. I think this is a very important lesson. Order of execution, to see where what is the first of this kind of statement or executed first and the last, and some things like that is really important when it comes to having a lot of constraint when you are querying a certain of data. There are a few concepts with this lesson, but all are pretty straightforward to apply. So spice things up, we have gone and scrambled the movies table for you in the exercise to better mimic what kind of data you might see in real life. Try to use necessary keywords and clauses introduced above in your queries. So okay. List all directors of Pixar movies alphabetically without duplicates. So I think I need to distinct the director, this distinct director from movies. Okay, it's already 25 minutes, but I want to finish this, so I will finish this fast and take a rest. Order by character. This thing. Sorry, distinct director. It could be like this or this. It's similar. Yep, nothing changed. List the last 4 Pixar movies released ordered from most recent to least. So limit by 4. Limit by 4. Order list of last ordered by year and sorry, should be descending, and this is should be title, or let's see if we can return all the column. This is better. List the first 5 Pixar movies sorted alphabetically, so ordered by title, first 5. Yeah, list the next 5. The next 5. Oh, I see. The next 5, so it should be offset. I see. Set 5. Yeah, so the offset statement is defining where the count is began in a certain ordered data, something like that. Well, that explained it should be. And I will take a rest for now for 5 minutes. And okay, I will pause this. There are no pause. Okay, I will stop for now and we'll be back in 5 minutes. I will prepare some drink. Okay, so I'm back after drinking some water, and I will continue to do another round of Pomodoro for this SQL training session. Should I call this? Okay, so let's go. The next 25 minutes. Okay, it's pretty fun. I reviewed some concept and learned a new thing that I haven't known before actually. Review simple select queries. Okay, so this is a review. This is so cool. I mean, like, whoa, there's a review here. And there are infinity and beyond. It's it really takes Disney movie as reference. Good, infinity and beyond. You have done a good job getting to this point. Now that you have gotten a taste of how to write a basic query, you need to practice writing queries that solve actual problems. Okay, so should we start with joining tables? No, we haven't. Okay, so select column and table where condition order by list num offset. Okay, it's exercise. Did you know positive latitudes correspond to the northern hemisphere and positive longitude correspond to the eastern hemisphere? Since North America is north of the equator, and west of the prime meridian, all of the cities in the list have positive latitudes and negative longitudes. Okay, I'm not really understand, but well, okay. So let's go. List all the Canadian cities and their population. List all the Canadian cities and their population. Canadian country. Oh, I see. You see, Canada is a country, right? My God. So I need to all the city and population. Yes, from where country equals to, no, I was using like, since it will case insensitive. Canada, yeah. Montreal and Toronto. Order all the cities in the United States by their latitude from north to south. From north to south, so the more it north, the bigger the value of their latitude, right? So I see. Let's do this. So it should be United States. United States. Okay, all the cities population. It's not required for the time complexity. We need to remove the population and return only the specific value that we need. Okay, order by latitude, that's yay. So it's ordered from north to south, so the biggest the value is, the more it close to the north pole, isn't it? Not really sure, I'm very bad at geographic. List all the cities west of Chicago. Okay, west, so it should be west. And positive longitude correspond to the eastern. Positive longitude correspond to eastern. Positive in the east. So if we want to take the west, it should be smaller, right? So where how can I take the latitude of Chicago? How? So let's take all the value and see. Chicago here. Should I using subquery for this? I don't sure. I think there is something that I don't understand. I can like this from the and where their longitudes is smaller than the longitude of or West Chicago is a country. Huh? Wait. West of Chicago. I think it should be smaller than. Okay, I think I will copy this. This is the latitude of Chicago, right? Where longitude is smaller than this, or order by longitude. Or not sure. List. I can using solution here actually. Longitude. I should use longitude instead of latitude. Oh, and even this should be. Why it's incomplete? That's wrong. I don't really understand the question. List all the cities. So it should be city, right? West of Chicago. Ordered from west to east. West to east. West to east. So the more west. The more west. The more west, so the smaller the longitude, right? Okay, because positive longitude correspond to the eastern, so the more east and this oh, I'm sorry, the more east, the bigger the value, right? So the more west, the bigger. The more east, the bigger the longitude. So the longitude should be ordered from west descendingly. City, North America city, west of Chicago. This is the longitude of Chicago, right? I'm not really sure. So it should be bigger. Longitude bigger than Chicago. I'm not really sure what's the answer. How to answer this? So list all the city west of Chicago. Chicago is here. Oh my god. I copied wrong value. Where longitude west of Chicago, so it should be bigger than this, and also order by longitude descendingly. It's wrong. Why is it wrong? So it's only written this city. It's still not right. Okay, so I think I need to, should I using this subquery select longitude from North American cities where city like Chicago. Um, okay, I'm not sure of it. How to solve this? That I'm not going to waste my time to understand this question. If I'm not find the answer, I will see the solution so that I can move on and learn. West of Chicago, ordered from west to east. West of Chicago, so it should be have uh, west of Chicago, so it should be having less value than the Chicago longitude, right? This is the longitude, positive and east, so it's the last and ordered from the last. Chicago. I don't understand. So west of Chicago, so it should be having lesser than the Chicago, ordered from the smallest to the largest, isn't it? Because the smaller the longitude, the west it's become. I'm not sure. Hey, it's true. I finished this. It should be like a this. Oh my god. Like. Okay. I am not sure that we should using subquery like this. But how? I think I need to. I need to reset. I want to this. I want to. Okay, I will reload. I want to see the solution for this. Number 3. Okay, I need to do it from the start. Canadian cities and their population. Canadian. Okay, so I don't really sure we can return all of that, right? Where country like Canada. Okay, by the latitude from north to south, order by latitude test and okay, I will see the solution. I see you are using this. You copy the value. But the problem is when you are facing kind of a big data, I don't really know what is the. Actually, you can query it first and copy the value and make your query faster. But you need to run your script twice. First, you identify the value of the Canada longitude, and after that, you using the value that you get to your real query. Okay, that's okay, that's not a big deal actually. Okay, so list the two largest cities in Mexico by population. So I need to sell. I think I need to try do every query from scratch, not using my previous query and try to write it from a blank editor. Two largest cities in Mexico. Select city from North American cities, order by population, basically limit to why in Mexico, so where country like yay. List all the third and fourth. So limit to offset from 2. No, I will start to it from blank. List all the cities by population in the United States and their population. Third and fourth largest cities and their population. So select city population from North American cities where not using where country like United States order by population limit to offset 2 or 3. Third and fourth. This will be the third and fourth, right? Country in the United States, city and population. Should be all of it. Or I see, I need to this. It's still wrong. Yeah, the first second I see is that from 1. I think it's a very good exercise. I mean, like, not exercise, a very good routine before sleep, because when you are doing this you feel so sleepy and you want to sleep really fast. Actually it's because I practicing it in the night, so I still have 2 minutes in my Pomodoro, so maybe it will be my last exercise. No, actually I don't. I think I will not finish this in 2 minutes. I think I will stop at this after I read all of the description. A SQL lesson 6 multi-table queries with joins and Up to now, we have been working with single table, but entity data in the real world is often broken down into pieces and stored across multiple orthogonal tables. Orthogonal, I haven't heard this word for so long. In math, using a process known as normalization. Yes, interesting. What is normalization? It's not opening a new tab. Mm, Reduce data redundancy, improve data integrity. I'm not really sure. Database normalization is useful because it minimizes. Okay, it's basically creating a different table about different data, and you can somehow connect it at the two table using kind of primary or key or primary key, right? Something like that. Database normalization is useful because it minimizes. So my tree has already grown. Okay, I think I will close the lesson now. And okay, I am going to learn about joins, and I will practicing it in the next live coding session. And yeah, there will be some other video about this, hopefully. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much for watching me, and okay, thank you very much. It's been quite late at night, and I will sleep, and I will close this live recording. So yeah, till we meet again in another coding video. I should look at the camera, not at on the screen, right? Ciao, bye bye. Thank you.